Hi everyone and welcome. As promised in the previous video, I have come up with a new unboxing of new IoT gateway. Okay, this gateway also comes from the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited, and this gateway manufacturer is also BLIIOT company. Okay, now let's do some unboxing for this gateway. So let me cut the sellotape. Okay, now let's open this gateway. So it's a brand new gateway, you can see here. Okay, it's the antenna, so you will get this 3 antenna here. Okay, you will get SIM kit, okay, to open the SIM card slot. Also you will get your slot to fit this gateway in the industrial panel, and this is our gateway. So if I open this, okay, so you can see it's one more 4G industrial router. Okay, you can see the model number, model R10A. Okay, and you can see all the details on this label. So this is one more industrial 4G router gateway. It's a small compared to the previous one, but it is also an industrial 4G router gateway. You can see SIM card here, USB connection here. You can see DC in. Okay, DC in connection. You can see some antenna connection. This is the LAN port, this is the LED for configuration, and here is the LAN port. The quality certificate, okay, so it's a pass, and you can also see some warranty card here, and here is one more connector to connect it here. Okay, so this is the gateway from Augmatic Technologies Private Limited in the India. They are selling this gateway. If you want to buy this gateway, then you can visit their website. I will provide their website link in the description of this video. You can go there, you can buy this kind of gateway. Also you can buy their previous gateway, which is comparatively large industrial 4G router gateway. Okay, I will provide the salesperson number as well to buy this gateway directly in the bulk or in the single unit. So this is all unboxing about 4G industrial router model R10A. Okay, so if you have any concern or any doubt, then you can ping me on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. And if you want to buy this, then a link in the description of this video. So you can buy it from there. So this is all you will get in this box. Okay, the gateway, the 3 antenna. Okay, so let me keep it out. Okay, nothing in the back side. So you will get this gateway, you will get this 3 antenna, the connectors, the SIM tray tool, the one more connector, warranty card, and your quality certificate. Okay, so you will get these things in the box. So if you still have any question or any concern regarding this industrial 4G router gateway, you can ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, as you know that. So we will meet you in the next video with one more gateway unboxing. Actually, I already did unboxing, so we will see that gateway in the next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.